Welcome everyone in my YouTube channel Educator Jeevan, and in today's video guys I will give you idea about how to use Google Meet from your Android phone. So for this you need to go to the Play Store. After that, yes, you need to type here Meet, Meet. You can see you'll see there will be the Google Meet over here. Now you need to download this one. Yes, I have already downloaded it in my phone, so I will just open it. When you open here, you'll get their microphone options, and yes, from where you can mute and unmute your audio. Yes, if you click, your microphone will be off. Again, when you on it, yes, your microphone will be on. Similarly, there is a video icon, camera icon. So for this, if you touch here, then yes, your video will be off, and again if you touch here, your video will be on. Now you can see below this microphone and camera, you can see there is a meeting code and new meeting. If you are a student, then yes, you need to go to the meeting code. When you click in the meeting code, you will get space there to enter your meeting code. After entering the meeting code, you'll get the 10 different alphabets over there. You need to ask the code or the link to your teacher. So after just typing your code, yes, you can see this join meeting is activated. Now just you can click over here and you can join the meeting, or you join your Google Meet class. So let's cancel this one. Now let's see, if you are a teacher, then yes, you need to go to the new meeting. Yes, click in the new meeting. Yes, when you click in the new meeting, you can see that one link will be popped out, meet.google.com/ and after there are the 10 alphabets, NUSUGAYFUX. In my case, that's the code, and you can share this code to the student by clicking in the shares, and yes, you can share this link to students via Facebook, WhatsApp, Messenger, or any other, or even from your school app. So I want to cut this one. So here you can see all the participants over here. Right now there is no any other participant, so you can see only me over there. And here you can see you'll get the chat, and yes, just you can send a message, you can type here and you can send a message to students from here, and when you click here, it will get sent over there. Okay, now next thing that you need to know here is just click here. You'll get the 3 button over here, 3 dot over here, and yes, you can see there, there is a switch camera from where you can turn your camera front to back and back to front. Similarly, there is turn on captions. Yes, if you turn on the captions, whatever you speak will get typed during your classroom. And yes, there is a present screen also. Yes, when you click in the present screen and start presenting, yes, then whatever things you will show in the screen will get presented over here. And to stop, simply you can just click in the stop presenting over here. And next important thing, since you are a teacher, so you need to know this thing. You can see here you options. Yes, and yes, when you touch here, your video will get pinned, and when you again touch here, the video will get unpinned. So while teaching, if you are showing a slide, or if you are talking with the students, if you are showing something with the students, then yes, it's better to pin the video, so that whatever the noise or disturbance are coming, but only your video will shown to all the students. So these are the basic things regarding about the Google Meet. Yes, and yes guys, I hope this video is useful for you. And one more thing guys, if you really love this video, then don't forget to share it, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel Educator Jeevan, and hit the bell icons to receive the notification for the future videos. Bye bye, see you all in next video.